Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a free subdomain in HostGator web hosting. So first of all I need to log in into my web hosting account. After that, now here you can see web hosting packages, and now let me go to cPanel and scroll down. Here we need to find out domain section, this one. You need to click here, and after that now scroll down. Now here you can create a new domain. So you can give any name, for example hello3. Now here you need to add your main domain name, custom domain. Without having custom domain, you will not be able to create a subdomain. So I have added domain name, and before that this one will be subdomain. Then click on submit. Now we need to install WordPress. Simply you can go here, WordPress manager. Then click on install button. Scroll down. Here you can see multiple websites, so we need to select this one. Then select HTTP. Then add username and password. Then add here your email address. So for password reset and many more. And here you can check plugins to install. So let me uncheck. Then you can select website language. Scroll down. You can also open advanced options. So for example, theme selection and many more. Then again here you can add email. Then click on install button. After installing WordPress in your subdomain, if your subdomain is not live and you are facing issues, so how you can fix out that? For example, sometimes we are using Cloudflare in our website to protect using Cloudflare platform. So how we can fix that? Let me show you. We need to add subdomain name in Cloudflare. Let me log in into Cloudflare platform. Scroll down. Then let me open this website. Now click here DNS. Scroll down. And here we need to add a new record. Here you can see hello3. So this one we need to add. So before that I need to copy this IP address. Then here we need to add hello3. Then add here IP address, this one. Then click on save button. So after doing this 4 to 5 minutes, your subdomain will be active. So let's wait for 5 minutes, and after that I will show you subdomain will be active. So after adding records, let me show you. Here you can see we are getting 404 error. But after 5 to 7 minutes, you will get your subdomain active. So you can easily log in into your subdomain website. Just you can add /wp-admin. Then here you can add username and password. Then press enter. And now here you can see we are logged in into our WordPress website. So in this way you can easily create these free subdomains. You can use these subdomains for practice, as well as you can also use for demo content and many more. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.